Hey everybody, it's Friday. Hope you guys are having a good week. It's Wheel Collectors, your favorite. We got something brand new in today. You might want to take a peek. This right here is Disney Character Cars Case D. It may be the last Disney case that we have for the year. I'm not sure if there's an E-case or not. But we're going to get a case opening today of this, and I want to remind everybody that we're going to have our drawing video tomorrow. So be sure to tune back in for the drawing video. Okay, so this right here, it's an 8-card case. Right there. It's got a couple new models in it. So we're just going to take out one by one here. The very first car right here is a Mickey. Very popular car. Then the next car right here is Minnie Mouse. And the character cars from Hot Wheels are an interesting thing because there's people that just collect the character cars. They don't collect anything else but character cars. Right here we got Dory. Right here this is one of the new cars that just came out for this case only. This is Elsa from Frozen, obviously. Brand new car for character cars. That'll be super popular. Then we have Nemo. Then we have Dumbo. Last two cars in the 8-card case are right here. We got Pinocchio. And then we got the other new car for the series, which is the Winnie the Pooh. Looks like a cement mixer, but it's a honey mixer apparently. So there you go, guys. Be sure to tune in tomorrow. We got our drawing for the Super Lambo, the Bugatti, and the 2 Christmas sets. I'm going to give you a top-down view real quick of this case. There you go, guys. Have a great weekend.